कि मैंने शुरू कर मैंने तो कुछ सोचा ही नहीं। ऑल आई हैव टू से कि ये जो यहाँ खड़ा हुआ है ना संजय दत्त, मुझे काफ़ी साल हो गए हैं, मेरे ख्याल में कहना तो नहीं चाहिए पर ऑलमोस्ट कितने साल हो गए राजू, 30-40 तो हो गए होंगे। ऐसा मेरे को ना कोई मिला है ना कोई मिलेगा और पॉसिबल ही नहीं है ऐसा कोई आदमी। ये मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि ये एक्सेप्शनल ह्यूमन बीइंग है और मैं एक्चुअली इसको इतने सालों से जानता हूँ, लेकिन मैं इसको अब जानने लगा जब राजू ने कहानी इसकी सुनानी शुरू की। तो ये क्या है ये आदमी, इसको आप समझ ही नहीं सकते। मैं समझता हूँ कि वी हैव नॉट हैड आई हैवंट मेट अ मैन लाइक इट एंड यू नो आई हैव टू से। और मैं गाली वाली दे देता हूँ स्टेज पे, हो तो आपको पता ही है, तो मैं सच ही बोल रहा हूँ झूठ नहीं बोलता हूँ मैं। Exceptional, and I really from deep down my heart I wish, and Nanu of course has been with us for a long time, I think this team, and I had liked Mary Com, I had called him and I saw the film, so I hope and pray to God that this film is what Sanjay Dutt deserves as a film for a comedy. Thank you.
Raju sir, we thank you for not just taking him up in one of your films. Your films inspire us, and if Viduji jo keh rahe hain,
मैं क्या कहूँ, मैं संजू के बारे में क्या कहूँ। संजू मेरे फिल्म करियर का एक बहुत ही अहम हिस्सा है। मैंने अब तक 4 ही फिल्में बनाई हैं, उसमें से 3 में संजू है, 5वीं बना रहा हूँ जो संजू के ऊपर है। इससे ज़्यादा संजू मेरे जीवन का कोई हिस्सा हो नहीं सकता। He has inspired me. He did Munna Bhai, and the way he did it made that film great, and I wouldn't have been what I am without Sanju. And I totally believe in that. So Sanju to हमारे साथ, Sanju came back 1.5 years back, and we were missing him. So Sanju is back, but Sanju the actor is not back. So we've been waiting. Visual thrust होता है ना, संजू को देखा ही नहीं स्क्रीन पे, 3 साल से नहीं देखा. So I was really waiting to see this trailer, and it's so magical to see Sanju back on screen with that red gulal on his face. Sanju, you're looking magical, and यार पूरी फिल्म ही दिखा दो ना आज. So संजू के बारे में मैं ज़्यादा नहीं कहूँगा. Let the film come, and then you'll see Sanju the actor here, and you'll see Sanju the man 6 months down the line. And Sanju, all the best. We love you.
this man can play any character, but I remember you're playing a man who has got all the muscles that the industry's ever wanted. So, your sentiments?
Well, I think, I was never a fan of workouts and gym. And I remember I've been working out in Sanju sir's gym since the last 10 years. And after 3 years, he came down and said, मैं तेरे को 3 साल से gym में देख रहा हूँ. कोई difference तो आया नहीं, तो करता क्या है? But good evening, everyone. Firstly, congratulations to Bhushan sir, Umang sir, Sandeep. I think the trailer was wonderful, as you all have seen today. It's amazing to see Sanju sir back on screen. I think this is his first release after his release. And like Raju sir said, we all have missed you so much. And when we see you on screen, it is magical. You know, something happens deep within. I think like all of us out here, I'm such a huge admirer and fan of yours, Sanju sir. Because I have had the good fortune of knowing you as a person. I've interacted with you since I was a child. So I know your heart. And I'm really happy, and welcome back to the movies. I think we all missed you a lot.
I want to say this one thing, that Bhumi feels very lucky and very blessed to have her Baba. It's really been an amazing journey for me, and I feel so lucky to have been a part of Sanju sir's comeback film. Also that I got to spend so much time with him. You know, we've all heard about how much Sanju sir is loved, but I saw it for myself with my own eyes, and I felt it with my own heart. The way that he takes you into his family, the way he protects you, actually like that. The way he's always there for you, the way that he listens to what you have to say. And as a co-actor, he's just incredible. You don't feel nervous. He looks very intimidating, but I always say he's the big friendly giant. He is just so kind and so giving, and he gives very nice hugs. It was really, really, really incredible to have been a part of this journey. It was intense, lot of tears, lot of blood, lot of sweat, and a lot of laughing. He has made me laugh just before a scene where I'm weeping buckets and Umang sir has looked at me like, what is she doing? But it's not his fault. But it's really been incredible, and thank you Umang sir for giving me this opportunity. Thank you Sandeep for thinking of me for this. Thank you Vidhu Vinod Chopra sir. Vidhu sir, I'm always happy to see you, and you have been a big part of my journey. And Raju sir, inspiring as always. And Ranbir, you know you're my favorite. And Bhushan Kumar sir, thank you so much. Thank you, and Priya, big hug. And thank you to every single poster and everybody from the Bhumi team. Thank you so much. I really needed you. It was very emotional and quite traumatic, just the whole story, and I really needed you all, and thank you for being there for me. Thank you so much. And sir, I could not have done this without you. Thank you. Thank you for being my Baba.
I just want to thank everybody. सबसे पहले my wife, my sister, my brother-in-law, Paresh, my brother, Raj Bansal, Bittu, who have always been very, very special to me in the worst situations of my life. I want to thank Vinod sir, I want to thank Raju, and there's another very important part of my life. His name is Abhijat Joshi. Where is he gone?
टेलीफोन पर है किधर?
I love you too. And you know, they have always been with me, ups and downs. And Vinod sir and Raju and Abhijat have given me the best film of my life, and that's Munna Bhai. And I think ये भूमि के बाद में मैं कोई पिक्चर नहीं करूँगा, मुन्ना भाई करने वाला.
सुन रहा है अभिजात? उसको बोल जल्दी कर.
You're listening? I want to thank Umang, I want to thank Sandeep for giving me this wonderful film, Shekhar ji, Anand ji, the whole crew, Master ji, Ismail bhai, apna boss, Sharat, Puru, Siddharth, everybody, our man out there. Thank you for getting the best out of me. Thank you. And Aditi, thank you. And Ranbir, I love you and thank you so much. Please pray for this film. Thank you. Well, मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा कि आपको ट्रेलर अच्छा लगा है और पिक्चर भी वैसे ही है, बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर है. इसकी स्टोरी, इसकी कहानी एक बहुत ही इमोशनल कहानी है. तो मैंने यही सोचा कि मैंने बोला कि यही पिक्चर 3 साल के बाद अगर आए तो एक ऐसी पिक्चर आए जहाँ इमोशन हो, बाप बेटी का रिश्ता हो, एक लोअर मिडिल क्लास फैमिली की बात हो. तो मुझे बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा, इसीलिए मैंने भूमि की.
एंड बाबा, पहले दिन का थोड़ा वाकया बताएं जब आपने 3 साल के बाद कैमरा फेस किया और क्या माहौल था, क्योंकि उमंग ने तो शेयर कर दिया है, हम आपसे भी जानना चाहें.
माहौल बहुत अच्छा था. ऐसा लगा कि मैं फिर वापस घर आ गया हूँ. लाइट्स और कैमरा और एक चहल पहल सेट की, तो बहुत बहुत मज़ा आया. थोड़ा बहुत नर्वस था, लेकिन पहला डायलॉग ओके हो गया तो ठीक हो गया. उसके बाद
जान दिया है कि ये फिल्म करते वक्त मुझे जो कुछ संजय दत्त के बारे में पता चला वो मुझे भी नहीं पता था, तो कुछ शेयर करना चाहेंगे इस फिल्म में आप संजय दत्त बने हैं जो आने वाली बायोपिक.
वेल, शेयर तो नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि विद्यु सर मुझे मार देंगे. बट जी, मैं संजू सर को बचपन से जानता हूँ, लेकिन जब हमने बायोपिक पर काम करना शुरू किया तो मुझे हमेशा लगा कि ये एक्चुअली बायोपिक नहीं हो सकती, ये एक्चुअली एक साइंस फिक्शन फिल्म है. क्योंकि ऐसी लाइफ एक इंसान को जीना, मतलब आप मेरे समझ में नहीं आया कि ऐसी लाइफ कौन जी सकता है. मुझे एक्चुअली अभी कल की बात है जब संजू सर ने मैसेज किया कि ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे आ जाओ, तो सडनली मुझे एहसास हुआ, अरे यार ये तो मेरा ट्रेलर लॉन्च हो रहा है. फिर पीछे से एक दूसरे रणबीर ने मुझे टपली दिया और कहा कि तुम कभी संजय दत्त बन नहीं सकते, जरा इतना खुद को मत, संजू सर का ट्रेलर लॉन्च है, दैट यू हैव टू गो एंड अटेंड. तो मैंने 1 साल इनको इमिटेट करने की कोशिश की. प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि ठीक ठाक किया, क्योंकि इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन, नॉट जस्ट इन द इंडस्ट्री बट इन द कंट्री. something that we all can learn from his life. We can take so much from his life. But हाँ, जब मैं कभी सोचता हूँ बायोपिक के बारे में, इनकी लाइफ के बारे में, यही मेरे सोच में आता है कि ये साइंस फिक्शन फिल्म है, ये एक ड्रामेटिक या रोमांटिक फिल्म नहीं है.
And if I was scared,
Were you a bit skeptical at what will be shown in the biopic? How
I was not skeptical at all because Raju, me and Abhijat sat for many hours and I laid the cards right out in front of them. I've got nothing to hide and I have never had nothing to hide. So, that is.
Have you seen the movie though? I mean, Jagga Jasoos?
I beg your pardon?
Have you
I
seen the
haven't
film?
seen it yet. I haven't seen it. But I mean, I know it's a good. I saw the trailer. I loved it. But I'm going to see the film, and if I feel something is wrong, he knows what he's going to get.
Baba, here towards your left.
I hope nothing is shown, but that depends on Raju here.
Baba, it's good to have you back. The trailer looks amazing. Towards your left here. Left. Here. Baba, it's good to have you back. The trailer is good. But do you think if you had come back with the Munna Bhai series, the comeback would have been perhaps, a bigger comeback for you? Like, everyone is waiting for that movie. And do you think that comeback would have been a bigger one?
I think instead of asking me, there's my brothers out here and my another brother out there and the third brother sitting behind you.
ऐसा करिए, मुड़ के वो पीछे वो जो बैठा है ना चुप से लड़का, उसको ये सवाल पूछिए. वो अभी भी लिख रहा है. 3 साल से अभी हम लिख रहे हैं. हमको थोड़ा टाइम लगता है. तो ये बैठा बोर हो रहा था. अभी कितना उसको 1-1.5 साल और बिठाते हैं. बोला भैया हम लिख रहे हैं. जब पूछता है हो रहा है सर, हाँ हो रहा है सर. डायलॉग लिख रहे हैं, हाँ लिख रहे हैं. वो खामोश मैंने फिल्म बनाई थी, उसमें डायलॉग राइटर को हमेशा पूछता था क्या हो रहा है जी. कहता लिख रहा हूँ सर, लिख रहा हूँ. वो है पीछे बैठा. उसको पूछो, जिस दिन लिखेगा उस दिन नेक्स्ट डे शुरू हो जाएगी. बायोपिक की इन दोनों को तो मैं बाद में देखूंगा. बहुत
Sanju Dada, Deepali here from TV9 Marathi. Sanju Dada here. Sanju Dada towards your left. Hi, Deepali here from TV9 Marathi. जसं रणवीरचे ट्रेनिंग आणि त्याचे लुक्स पाहिले आपण तुमच्या बायोपिकसाठी, तर तुम्ही स्वतःला रणवीरच्या ह्याच्यात बघू शकताय का? तुम्ही स्वतः ॲज अ संजय दत्त म्हणून रणवीरने तेवढा न्याय दिलाय तुमच्या कॅरेक्टरला, असं वाटतंय का तुम्हाला?
I don't know how to say it in Marathi, but I don't think this is a question that deals with Bhumi. Is it? I think it's dealing with Bhumi. So let's stick to Bhumi. Can you ask me ask him something about Bhumi, please?
She's asking, has Ranveer done justification?
We
I
understood
understand
that.
Marathi very well. So this. उद्या सकाळी 9:15 वाजता शूटिंग चालू आहे.
I have a question for Umang sir.
Last question.
Yeah.
Hi,
Umang sir.
hi.
Umang sir? Oh, really? Oh.
I have a question for Umang sir.
Yeah.
I want to ask you, how was your whole experience directing Sanjay sir and Bhumi, and what do you think of their performance in the movie?
See, generally, I like to play with an actor in such a way that I want to take out stuff from an actor which he's never seen before in any other film. Be it Mary Kom, be it Sarabjit, and Bhumi also is the same. But yes, I was nervous. I'm telling you, I was nervous to direct Sanjay Dutt. And because he has an aura, okay, I had to break that aura and look at him as an actor. But the moment he comes on screen, you forget everything. Yeah, that's what he used to do. He used to say, and he used to make Aditi laugh completely, and I could hear on the headphones what is happening. It's a serious scene, and so she used to giggle. That's the way Sanjay Dutt ji is. It's like he will break the ice and he'll make you most comfortable. And it was like for me a dream come true to direct. I didn't even think ever in my life I would be directing him. And thank you, sir. But really, the emotions on the scene, while editing also, we went through everything again. We feel the emotions again. Like, my God, abhi wahan aansu tapkega. And it's so precise. He never rehearses. I don't want to rehearse, he said. I'll do it, chal, ready. You know, dialogue, ho jayenge. And he remembers every dialogue possible. 5 page ke dialogues, I don't know how you remember. It's fabulous. We were all nervous. 5 camera setup hai, like, you know, karenge nahi karenge. He's flowing properly. That's what he is. And Aditi just matched completely. The emotional scenes are to die for. And hopefully this film will touch your souls the way it's touched ours.
So,
Okay.
Happy Independence Day to everybody.
Happy Independence.
Happy Independence Day, Jai Hind.
Happy Independence Day to everyone. We're truly independent, actually.
Thank you, everybody. There is